Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to merge two Facebook pages in 2025. It's super simple process. So let's dive right in. Step 1. First things first, we need to go to your source page. This is the page you want to merge into your personal account. So head over to your Facebook account and click on see all profiles to view all pages you have created. Find the source page you want to merge. Step 2. Once you're in the source page, go to your main Facebook account, click on help and support and then select help center. This is where we all begin the merging process. Step 3. In the help center, use the search bar to type in merge two pages and select the option that pops up. This will take you to the instruction on how to merge your pages. Step 4. Now skip the general steps and head directly to the link provided in the help center. This link will take you to a new page where you can begin the merging process. Step 5. Here's where you all need your page links. Grab the link to your source page, paste it into the designated field, and do the same for your personal Facebook account link. Once both links are pasted, you're almost done. Step 6. Submit your request. Finally, just click submit request and you're all set. All that left is to wait for Facebook customer support to confirm that your page has been successfully merged. And that's it. You have just merged two Facebook pages. Simple, right? If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.